You can expect to see Fort St. John Husky players at your doorstep this Sunday, as they'll be collecting food for their 18th annual Fill the Bus campaign. The event is a unique way to collect non-perishable food items from the community and donate it to those in need.
We basically collect food throughout the city. We bring it to the North Peace Rec Center and we sort it, box it, fill the bus, hence the Huskies Fill the Bus name, and then we deliver it to the Salvation Army.
This longtime tradition for the junior hockey team is their way of giving back to the community and showing their gratitude for all the support they receive.
The Huskies are a community-based team, and the Huskies do realize and appreciate that, in order to be successful as a hockey team, they need the support of the community. So this has been just a very good way of giving back to the community and appreciating all the support from within the community.
The campaign is a one-day effort where the Huskies, along with other minor hockey teams and volunteers, drive around town asking residents for donations.
We've got maps of the town. We allocate areas to different teams. Each team has a driver and a couple Husky players and other volunteers who will go door to door.
Then the items are brought back to the arena where volunteers sort and pack the food onto the team's full-sized coach bus. Last year, Karaziak says about 20,000 pounds worth of food was collected for the Salvation Army.
It's a big part of their yearly food bank program, and without the Huskies' effort, there definitely would be a hole in the yearly program for the Salvation Army.
Karaziak says volunteers are needed to collect donations and to assist with filling the bus. The more the merrier to help with the campaign is key, as this year's goal is to match or surpass the amount of food collected last December.
Our goal is to be able to cover the whole town. If we can do that, then everybody's had an opportunity to donate, and that would be mission accomplished, and that's what will get us to our goal of 20,000 pounds plus.
The event starts at 10 a.m. at the North Peace Arena, and for more information on how you can help out, visit cjdctv.com. Carissa Wilson, CJDC TV News, Fort St. John.